Welcome back to Breakfast Television, 7:40. Thanks for starting your morning with us. After a long, very harsh winter, spring can be a great time to put your best face forward. Dermatologist Dr. Minuk joining us this morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Courtney.
So it's not uncommon to be feeling like we're looking a little dull and tired right now.
Well, it's been a long winter. It's not very nice outside yet, but there are a lot of things that we can do to refresh our skin. We have several new products available. We now have the Juvederm product, which has been around in Canada for about 10 years now. It's very safe, very effective, help perk up the skin and give you a little bit more youth and a little more refreshment of the skin, if you wish.
Okay, so Juvederm, it's a facial filler?
Yeah, we call it a dermal filler. It's actually made of a substance called hyaluronic acid, which is a natural occurring sugar, which over time gets depleted from the skin. So we're replenishing or repleting, or I say in putting the product into the skin to give you more of a youthful appearance. We can restore volume, restore contours of the cheeks, the chin, and we can even plump up the lips. We've got some new products out. One's called Juvederm Volbella. And Volbella is a very natural occurring product, which now is available in Canada. It's been available in Europe for several years now. Very natural, very soft. Not the First Wives Club. We're looking at positives here. Very nice, soft look to the lips.
We're seeing some before and after photos here too. So can you expect a difference almost right away with this?
You know what? Your self-confidence just goes. You know, you treat somebody like this, these ladies here. You see the before and afters. They just restore the volume in their cheeks, around the mouth, what we call the marionette lines, the smile lines, the nasolabial folds. You know, these ladies have had combination therapy. They have some Botox in the forehead area for those number 11s, those nasty frown lines.
Yes.
And you can see the cheeks are just elevated. She just looks more confident and probably will feel have a lot more self-esteem. You know, Courtney, I like what we call the wow factor. After you've treated somebody, you give them the mirror and they go, wow, and that is what you see. And that's what Juvederm does right away for you.
And that's what matters, how you feel about yourself.
You gotta feel good.
The energy that you project.
You know, people today are doing a lot of things. They're cycling, they're running, they're waiting to get outside in this wonderful weather that's going to come soon. You know, but diet and exercise and creams can only take you so far.
Right.
You got to take that extra step. Juvederm is a really nice product. You can see on the screen. Voluma and Volbella are the newer ones. Voluma's been with us now for about 5 years in Canada. It's got approval in the United States in the last year, but available in Europe for years. It has more of a lift. It gives you more contouring and more youth, and that's what people are looking for. Youth. Right. And self-confidence.
Well, who is this for? Is there anybody too young, anybody too old?
You know, it goes all along the spectrum. We have young ladies that are coming in their 20s for a little lip plumping, a little bit more of that pouting look. You know, you get a little bit more around the lips. You get people in their 30s, 40s, and 50s. We can do a fair amount. The pictures that you saw with the women before and afters, they're into their 50s and 60s. We have women in their 70s, occasionally in their 80s. You know, we're very careful. Now, one of the things that you need to know is these are very safe products, extremely safe.
Okay.
Make sure you got the right physician and ask the questions. Make sure you're in the right place before you have your treatment.
Fully safe when in the right hands, done by the proper people.
Exactly.
And we can expect it to last about a year, you were saying?
You know what? In good hands, a good positioning of the product, good restoration. You could be looking for a year or even longer in some of the situations.
Well, there you go. Just another option.
Great product. Juvederm's great. Nice product.
Put your best face forward this spring and feel the best about yourself. Thank you so much. If you want to find Dr. Minuk, we'll put the links up, breakfasttelevision.ca. Right now, we'll check in with Jenna.